Hey YouTube, what is up? Mip here, MIPMOTO. Really quick video today. I want to take you through the GoPro Hero 5 chin mount setup that I've been using and why I'm going to change it to a GoPro chest setup. Let's get into it. As I said in the intro, really quick one on why we are changing from a GoPro chin and moving to a chest mount. So if you've watched my previous videos, they are recorded using this GoPro Hero 5 chin mount, GoPro mic adapter and a mic with a wind muff that sits in the lid. Really good audio. What I've noticed with this, and I did a lot of research before I decided to do this setup, I think it depends on your style of riding. For me, when I'm out riding and I'm stopping and I'm looking left and right at junctions, I'm glancing down at the speedo, it doesn't make for a really exciting and fluid video. You've all seen the videos up here where you've got some fantastic vids from guys, but they're not looking around a lot. They're on beautiful roads. Here where we are in the UK, always got to stop, got to be looking for hazards. Doesn't make for a great video, I don't think. So I am changing this, and I'm going to change it to a GoPro chesty mount, which will look something like this. Like this. GoPro chesty mount should be fantastic. It's going to make life much easier. No more editing the ups and downs you're looking at junctions. It's going to make the videos feel much better for the people viewing them. You're going to get that really good POV as you go around the corners. I'll do the next ride up with it. Let's see how we go with it. Click the bell. Click get notifications, click all so you don't miss out on the videos. Really appreciate your support on the channel. All the likes on the videos and the comments help my video show up on YouTube, and I'm really trying to build the channel at the moment. I'll see you soon. Ride safe.